54 years, and still your story continues to inspire us every single day. More than the years, it's the way you've lived them. With courage, with grace, and with a heart that never stops giving. To your family, you are a loving daughter, whose strength is rooted in love and gratitude. To your friends, you are someone they can always count on, steady, sincere, and true. And to us, you are more than a leader. You've shown us that strength can be gentle, that leadership can be kind, and that even in the most challenging moments, there is always room for empathy. Someone who understands. Someone who leads not just with authority, but with compassion. Because of you, we feel guided, we feel valued, and we feel inspired to become better every day. And that even in the most challenging moments, there is always room for empathy. Your presence makes a difference. Not just in what you do, but in who you are. Because in our lives, you are not just a leader. You are someone we truly look up to. And today, we celebrate you, not just for your achievements, but for the person behind them.
Happy birthday to you, to you. Happy birthday to you, to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
And now, let us hear from the people whose lives you've touched and whose hearts you continue to inspire.
Hello, Jo. At walang hanggang pasasalamat sa iyo. Thank you very much. At maligayang happy birthday. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Love you. Ingat ka palagi. Mahal ka namin. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita 1M. More birthdays to come. Sana ma-enjoy mo ang birthday mo. Let's go!
Happy birthday, Ninang. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo today. And gusto ko lang sabihin na thankful ako kasi lagi kang nandyan para sa amin ng mga kapatid ko. Ayun lang. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Tita Jo. Wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. And thank you sa lahat, Tita. At thank you sa pagtitiwala sa akin kay Brio. Pag ginagamit ko sa mga lakad ko, sa mga school projects, yun lang. Thank you. Love you.
Hello, Bes. Happy birthday. Sana ay madami pang kaarawan ang i-celebrate mo ng masaya. At sana ay pagpalooban ka ng ating Panginoon ng malakas na katawan at aktibong isipan hanggang sa habang tayo nadadagdagan ng ating edad. At sana ibiyayaan ka pa ng ating Panginoon ng mga bagay-bagay na may enjoy mo at ng buong pamilya. Para happy ang lahat. Happy ang life. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sis. Good health and God bless. Thank you for everything. Ikaw ang aking kapatid, kaibigan at kakampi sa lahat ng bagay. Maraming salamat dahil lagi kang nandyan. Pag isang tawag lang sa'yo, andyan ka para sa akin at sa aking pamilya. Alam ko kung ano man ang narating mo sa buhay ngayon ay dahil sa iyong pagsisikap at pagtitiyaga. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng lakas ng katawan para matupad lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo pa sa buhay. Ingatan ang sarili sa araw-araw and love ya.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Joanne. Love you. Miss you.
You continue to bless and inspire others.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jo!
See you around, Ma! Miss you!
Happy birthday, BFF Jo! Grabe, 30 years na pala tayong magkaibigan. Pero hindi lang basta best friend sa akin. Para ka na ring younger sister ko na kasama ko sa lahat na pinagdaanan ko sa buhay. Wala man tayong sikreto sa isa't isa. At kahit anong problema o saya, lagi tayong magkadamay. Thank you kasi never mo akong iniwan. Kahit sa mga times na ang hirap na ng lahat, ikaw yung constant ko, yung taong alam kong kahit anong mangyari, nandyan pa rin. I wish you all the happiness, love, and blessings na deserve mo. Sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo, BFF, at kahit saan tayo dalhin ng buhay, alam mong andito lang ako palagi para sa iyo. So, BFF, I always love you. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi. So, ano sabihin ko sa'yo? So, si Joe, 3 dekada na kami magkakilala, magkasama, magkaibigan. Since 1998, I think, and I was first assigned to Marikina City Jail. So, doon ko siya unang namit. Actually, hindi pa nga doon eh. Una ko siya namin ito nagkakasunod doon sa tabi ng bahay nila. So, parang hahaba pa ako nito, 3 dekada. So, for the great woman, with success, ano pa mawiwis ko sa'yo? I think good health na lang. Kasi, ilang taon pa, retired ka na rin. Dadagdagan na yung million mo dyan sa account mo. So, more blessing, good health sa'yo, and happy 18th birthday ba? Okay, bye-bye. Happy birthday, Joe. Good luck.
Hi, Joe. So, happy birthday. Many are lucky to have you as their daughter, sister, and a friend. But probably, I am the luckiest having you as my sister, friend, colleague, and bonus, kumare pa. We have been through much together, and I am honored having a front row seat in your life, witnessing your growth in everything you do, your greatness in your craft, and how you live your life. I wish you good health, that we may spend more time together having fun. More birthdays such as this to celebrate. Thank you for being my ultimate friend. It's unfortunate that I am not there celebrating with you, but know that I am with you always. So, happy birthday. My partner in crime, joke. Partner in legality, I mean. It's been almost 30 years that we've been together. So I guess you're the one that know me better than I. Thank you for accepting every version of me. I hope that today brings you happiness as much as you give happiness the world in every single day. Enjoy your day and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tita Jo. We're so grateful for you. Nina, you've always been so thoughtful, caring, and we are so lucky to have you in our lives.
Your kindness means so much to us, and we truly appreciate everything you do.
We hope that your birthday is filled with love, laughter, and all the happiness you deserve. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, my dear sister. Salamat sa lahat ng support at pagmamahal sa ating magulang. Sana'y mag-enjoy ka sa iyong kaarawan. Love you as always.
Happy birthday to my lovely sister. Thank you for always being there for me. Love you. Huwag kang magbabago ha.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Warden! God bless you! We love you!
One, two, three, let's go!
Happy
birthday, Ma'am Martin!
Happy birthday, Nina. I love you so much. Wishing you continue good health and even greater success in your career. You truly deserve it. Thank you for always checking in on us. It means more than you know. Even though you're far away, you never let us forget how much you care. We miss you. Come visit us soon before your visa expires. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ninang. I love you so much, pa. And congratulations on your career because they're super lucky to have you, pa. And thank you for always making your presence felt around all of us because it means so much to us, pa. We really appreciate you, pa. Take care always. Love you, pa. Bye.
Happy birthday, BFF. Ayan, talagang mas matanda ka sa akin. Pero di bali na, sabay tayong dalawang tatanda. Salamat sa pagiging kaibigan ko, sa walang sawang kwentuhan, tawanan, may iyakan din. At kahit sa mga kalokohan natin, mga sikreto natin sa buhay. Hiling ko sana na maging masaya ka palagi at healthy, makuha mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Alam mo yan. Enjoy mo ang special day mo, deserve mo yan. Happy birthday at syempre, hintayin ko yung libre mo. At saka yung mga lakad natin. Sana matupad na rin. Happy birthday. Love, love, love.
Happy birthday, Jo.
Hi, Joanne! Happy birthday! Thank you sa staff mo who gave me this opportunity na mag-greet ka sa special day mo bukas. And birthdays are really special day because it reminds us that another year has been added to our life and we are grateful for the author of life. Thank you na binigyan ka ni Lord ng isa pang taon sa serbisyo at sa pamilya mo for your career. And it's amazing to know na warden ka na at this time. Nakakatuwa because when I joined the bureau way back 2002, first assignment ko was Manila City Jail. And then after nung una kong schooling 2005, doon ako nagsimula mag-roving. Then I met you in Marikina City Jail as my nurse. I'm also happy to meet other staff na may puso sa trabaho, may pagmamahal sa public health, at mahal ang mga programa. That's how I learned who Joanne is during my journey as a JMP physician. And until now, I really appreciate how she has grown in her career and how you maintain your demeanor as a mabait, masipag, at pag ako ang nasa clinic at andyan si Joanne, talagang asikaso. Kaya thank you, Joanne, for the friendship. Yun yung mga panahon na natutuwa ka sa trabaho when you find friends. Until now, naalala pa nga ako ng mga staff mo. Thank you for this opportunity. So, once again, enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Joanne. I love you. God bless you.
Okay. Kay Ma'am Mortel, na the warden of Muntinlupa FD. Happy birthday sa iyo, no? And sana ma-invite kami. Nawa lang. Pero okay lang, kahit wala. Ang importante ay mahalaga na birthday mo ngayon. And nawa ay yung blessing sa buhay mo ay tuloy-tuloy na. And dumating na yung Mr. Someone. Uy, meron yan. Sana, hindi pa huli lahat. And ang wish ko sa iyo, good health lagi and success in life. Yun lang. Happy birthday and hello!
You gotta find your people, the ones that make you feel alright.